Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're going under the hood to see how AI actually learns.
So AI can seem like it's thinking, right? But what's happening inside is totally different from us. See, it's not really about understanding anything. At its heart, AI is just relentless optimization.
And that's the key. An AI is a math function, not a conscious mind. Big difference.
It all starts with this, the artificial neuron. It's basically just a tiny calculator. But you stack millions of them into layers, and suddenly you've got a super powerful network.
Each layer builds on the last, letting the network spot these incredibly complex patterns.
So, how does it learn? By running this 5-step loop over and over, billions of times. And the key to this whole process? It's one single number, called the loss score.
That's it. The entire system has one goal: make that number as small as possible.
The magic that makes this all possible is an algorithm called backpropagation, a total game changer.
Okay, this is where it gets wild. AI doesn't store info like a normal computer.
Instead, it uses embeddings. Think of them as coordinates for ideas in a vast conceptual map.
This lets the AI literally do math with ideas, discovering incredible relationships on its own. And when you train this at a massive scale, these amazing new skills just emerge.
This is emergence, intelligence without intention, born from simple math just scaled way, way up.
Which, of course, brings us to the big question, does it actually understand any of this?
Well, the answer's tricky. Philosophically, no. But functionally, it's getting really close.
AI is a beast with data and patterns, but it has zero common sense or lived experience.
So in the end, its intelligence isn't like ours at all. It's something entirely new.